Hey guys, this is Daniel. It is good to be back trading again after a long vacation. I'm going to go over my trades really quick for today. I traded three tickers. The first one was AAPL. It sold off here in the first minute. Every time it sold off, it kept getting bought back up. There's a lot of buying pressure going on. When it popped back up above VWAP, I went long here for a 1 minute opening range break up. I put my stop loss below VWAP and I started selling up here towards this daily level that we had up here, and then I got out with the rest of my position here. I love when these 1 minute, when any kind of breakups or breakdowns happen close to VWAP, because you can put such a tight stop loss and get such a good risk to reward. And also this trade was heavily influenced on the SPY. In these first 3 minutes, there was a lot of upward movement going on here. The second ticker I traded was MU, and MU is also heavily influenced by the SPY. When MU is not in our gappers watch list and there's no news, it does like to follow the SPY. So it sold off below VWAP, and when it popped back up above VWAP, I went long here for a break of high of the day at that time. I put my stop loss at VWAP. It did pop up. I sold a few pieces here, and then I got out with the rest of my position here. It just looked like it's going to run into some resistance here on this moving average on this 5 minute chart. The third ticker I traded was SDC. SDC was a little bit unfortunate. I was watching this stock right at the open for a pop. Over here on level 2 at that time, we had huge asks all the way down. It's a really bullish sign. It did sell off below VWAP and it popped back up here. I would have loved to have gotten in here. I love trading this setup here, but unfortunately I was trading Apple and MU at the time. I did end up trading this stock anyways for a quick scalp. This is the bull flag strategy. If you look here, we have the flag pull, and then you have the flag, and then right when it made a new 1 minute high here, I went long and scalped up here for a break of high of the day, and I got out with the rest of my position here. I was hoping for a bigger push on this candle, but I didn't get it. And those are my trades for today. Have a good day.